This is going to be a good one. Season both sides of your chicken. Going to sear both sides 2 to 3 minutes. We're just trying to get some color and some flavor on these bad boys. To a baking dish, you're going to add your feta block and your Boursin cheese, right? Now you're going to add in 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes, some garlic cloves, 6 of them. Add your seared, seasoned chicken, and then you're going to drizzle olive oil all over everybody. Now you're going to bake this at 400 for 30 minutes. Cook the pasta al dente, according to the package. When your tomatoes are practically bursting and your chicken is done, take a spoon and you're going to break up your cheese. Add your pasta. And give that a mix. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. So good.